Kerala Chief Minister Pineri Vijayan has completed aerial survey of the landslide hit Mepadi Panchayat areas, taking stock of the situation. He then issued guidelines directly to ground officials and chaired a high-level meeting followed by an all-party meeting. Meanwhile, Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra have reached Kannur, from where they will travel to Wayanad to meet the landslide-affected victims in various relief camps and hospitals. More than 270 people have died in these landslides, and that has of course hit Wayanad and a couple of days back, and the death toll is expected to rise as search and rescue operations continue. Meanwhile, let's listen in to some more reactions coming in on Wayanad.
गृह मंत्री जी के बाद आपने संभवतः केरला के सीएम का बयान नहीं देखा। उन्होंने चिट्ठी लिखी है कि मुझे ऐसी कोई वार्निंग नहीं मिली थी। बहरहाल, ये कल भी मैंने सदन में कहा था कि ट्रेजेडी शुड यूनाइट अस। हम ट्रेजेडी में भी आजकल एक तरह के संवेद स्वर में नहीं बात करते हैं, राजनीति हावी हो जाती है। आज हैंड होल्डिंग का है, केंद्र और राज्य सरकार हैंड होल्डिंग करके लोगों को रेस्क्यू रिहैबिलिटेशन के प्लान में ले जाए।
Focusing on the hope of rescuing some people still, because the truth is 200 lives have been lost, but there are still another 200 people who are missing. 2 villages have disappeared off the map. It's a very serious crisis. So I think we have to appreciate the value of trying to do this on a priority basis, see who you can save, and if you can't save, at least get their bodies out from this horrendous catastrophe. Then you can look at the politics. As you know, the Home Minister said there was some warning. The State Government Chief Minister says the warning was not sufficiently serious. It was a green or orange alert and not a red alert. All of these things can be disputed later. Eventually, accountability is required and further preventive measures are required. But we can't sit here today when lives might still be saved and worry about the politics. That's why I don't want to get into the political debate.
Several columns of army and these NDRF are here, and 2 columns of DSC here already, 2 columns from Kozhikode, 2 from Trivandrum, 2 columns from Kannur, 2 medical team from this Ejimala. That way this NDRF is doing their work, and army also, Air Force. 6 helicopters are here yesterday, and 1 Navy helicopter is here. They are dropping foods because some people, they are without connection. They are that way. They don't get any food or anything because it is flown off. That road is flown off. They are stranded there. Stranded in the sense that in a serious way, because only 1 road was there to reach there in the villages, and that is flown off. Then some other people are there, but helicopter is dropping the food and water they are giving.
See, our 7 a.m. data is that we have done 256 autopsies. 256 means that includes body parts also. So we count, if there is an amputated leg, we count it as 1. So it's like 256. And we have handed over 154 bodies to the district administration. And we are taking the genetic samples of this amputated parts or the body parts. And it's such an unfortunate incident, and the people, they are going through a huge mental trauma. So our government has done everything, and Honorable CM has asked for the support of Army, and we were provided with the support of Army, Air Force, and more than 1,300 Army personnels are there today. So they have built that bridge, and so we'll be moving more machines to this particular place, and so we are hoping that we can find more people who are in the missing list. And also Honorable CM will be coming to Wayanad today, and he is convening a meeting, official meeting, and after that there is an all-party meeting. And also we have I have visited the hospitals and also the camps. We do have 11 camps, and we don't have more bodies to do the autopsy now. So everything is done. Till 7 a.m. it's done.
Daily average. So we are very much hopeful this time we are continuous our rescue operation 3 days. This day is very important, and more than 1,600 force is there in Makkah and another places, and more of the workers and social workers also entered into this place, so we can we feel that the
Anand Singh on the telecast with me. Anand, there has been a lot that has been done so far, whether it's an all-party meeting that has been held, a high-level meeting that has been held, and a lot more is going on at this point of time. Take our viewers to the details that are coming in on that front.
Yeah, sorry. Look, today the Chief Minister, Pinarayi Vijayan, first of all visited Wayanad district over here in Kerala. He arrived here in Wayanad from Kozhikode along with his Chief Secretary and DGP, along with senior other officials. And even after the meeting, he advised and he mentioned his officials to speed up the process of rescue and relief operations over here. As on his request, around 3,000 armed forces personnel have been deployed over here in the rescue and relief operations to bring out the people, those who have been stranded or those who are still buried inside the debris due to a landslide. And looking after the situation over here, we have got the update that state administration has carried out the autopsies of over 256 bodies. That includes the amputated body parts that were flowing in the river that state administration and several teams of NDRF and SDRF could take out from the river. So the autopsies have been carried out and 154 bodies have been handed over to the family members next to their team so that their cremation and last funeral can be done on time. So these are the updates that the state administration has given as of now. Even as we are fearing that the toll may go up as the rescue operations are still underway with several of the teams of Indian Armed Forces and even 122 battalion of the Indian Army is currently deployed and they are working to construct a bridge which is going to be completed in next 1 or 2 hours. And even when we spoke to Union Minister of the state, George Senior, he mentioned that once the construction of that bridge is done, then 90% of the rescue operation will be complete as the government will be able to move heavy equipment that can help in removing the debris from the path as the complete communication, the complete road connection between the two, between Churamala and Mundakai was cut off from the other parts of Wayanad. So after getting the construction of the temporary bridge over there, the 90% of the relief and rescue operation will be done. And looking at the condition of the bridge as of now, it can be operational hardly in 1 or 2 hours. And even Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra are all...
The youth care campaign over here, in which they are making collection of several of the items required for the people, those who are being rescued from the places like Churamala village and the another town of Mundakai that has been hit hard by the landslide. And here, as you can see, there are clothes, there are food items, there are water bottles, and there are medicines that they are collecting to provide to the people, those who are being brought from the those villages and town that has been hit very hard by the landslide devastation that has caused the death of over 275 people, and still more than 120 people are missing. So even as the Indian Armed Force and Indian Air Force along with Indian Navy and the teams of NDRF and SDRF that are working in tandem over here on the ground, so we will talk to some of the people over here to understand what are the arrangements that the Indian Youth Congress has done over here. So we have with me from Indian Youth Congress, so we will speak to him and try to understand what are the things that they have done over here. Sir, what's your good name, sir?
Shachikumar VK.
Sir, what are the arrangements that you have made for the people, those who are being brought to relief camps after they are being rescued from those two areas?
इधर से है ना अभी वायनाड के इस एरिया से सब जगह पर लेके आने के बाद सामान लेके आने के बाद हम रिफिल इधर कलेक्ट करते हैं, उसके बाद सब जगह पर हम पहुंचाते सामान। अब हमारे कैंप सब 2-3 कैंप है और हॉस्पिटल है, सब जगह पर हम सामान पहुंचाते हैं। सब जगह पर अब केरला का सब जगह से सामान इधर आके वो यूथ कांग्रेस की तरफ से ये कलेक्ट करने के बाद सब जगह पर हम फंड पहुंचाते हैं, कैंप के लिए पहुंचाते हैं। अलग अलग जगह 2-3 जगह पर अब इधर आने के लिए नहीं पा रहा, उधर भी हम सामान पहुंचाते हैं।
और चूंकि काफ़ी कपड़े भी आप लोगों ने यहाँ ला के रखा है लोगों के लिए, जो लोग लाए जा रहे हैं उन दो इलाकों से, या तो वो चुरामला गांव हो या फिर मुंडकई गांव हो, शहर हो जो छोटा, तो वहाँ से जब लोगों को लाया जा रहा है तो उनके लिए और मेडिसिन वगैरह सबकी व्यवस्था आप लोगों ने कर रखी है। और राहुल जी और प्रियंका जी भी आ जा रहे हैं। जी जी, सब है, मेडिसिन के सब, कपड़ा कुपड़ा, कब खाने पीने के लिए सब कुछ हमारे पास है सर। वो सब हमने उस जगह पर पहुंचा रहे हैं सर, सब हमारे जगह पर पहुंचा रहे हैं। अच्छा, और उसके लिए हमारा वॉलंटियर सब जगह पर कम से कम 300-400 वॉलंटियर्स लगा हुआ, वो सब जगह पर अपना टाइम से उधर कोई भी रिक्वायरमेंट है उधर उस टाइम हम पहुंचाते सर। So you heard what he has to say about the youth care that has been launched by the Indian Youth Congress to help the victim families who are being rescued and brought to relief camp, and even to provide several of the essential items, those who have been still stranded in the Churamala or Mundakai area of Wayanad. With camera person Pawan Chaudhary, Anand Singh, News X, Wayanad.
Right, absolutely. You know, Anand, if you could also give our viewers an understanding on what it is that the people are facing and what it is that the people are feeling. What are their demands? What do they think is going to help them in this point, in this, you know, of course, there's so much that's happening. The visuals, of course, tell the tale. If you could take our viewers through their demands and what they feel needs to be implemented immediately. Okay, I think we're facing troubles over there, but my colleague in the meantime has had an exclusive conversation with Congress MP Hebe Eden. Take a listen.
हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए केरल से सांसद हाइबी ईडन है और इनसे बात करते हैं कि कल वायनाड लैंडस्लाइड को लेकर के होम मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हमने पहले ही अर्ली वार्निंग दी थी, फोरकास्ट किया गया था, लेकिन राज्य सरकार की ओर से कोई ठोस कदम नहीं उठाया गया।
कोई भी नेचुरल कैलामिटी के ओवर पॉलिटिकल डिस्कशन होना नहीं चाहिए, मेरा राय है, कांग्रेस पार्टी का राय है। हमारा प्रायोरिटी और फोकस पूरा रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस में है। बहुत लोग अभी भी घायल हैं, बहुत लोग मिसिंग हैं, उनको बचाने का कोशिश हम कर रहे हैं और हमारा एंटायर फोकस रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस और रिहैबिलिटेशन में है। तो जो महत्वपूर्ण स्टेटमेंट माननीय गृह मंत्री ने दिया है वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। वो वार्निंग्स स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने इग्नोर किया है तो बहुत ही सीरियस लैप्स है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने वो डिनाई किया है। इसके बाद ये रिहैबिलिटेशन और ये जान बचाने का कोशिश के बाद हम इसके ऊपर चर्चा करेंगे।
आज प्रियंका गांधी और राहुल गांधी दोनों वायनाड गए हैं, वहाँ पर मुआयना भी कर रहे हैं, लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी के लोग आरोप लगा रहे हैं आखिरकार इतना देर क्यों हुआ उन्हें जाने में?
कुछ देर नहीं हुआ है। हमारा पूरा सांसद, हमारा विपक्ष के स्टेट का नेता, हमारे पूरा टीम और फोर्सेस, हमारा जिला पंचायत का अध्यक्ष, पूरे लोग वहाँ पे मौजूद है। वो काम कर रहा है, ग्रास रूट पे ज़मीन पर काम कर रहा है। हमारा फोकस ये है कि जान बचाने के लिए राहुल गांधी जी जाएंगे क्योंकि वो वायनाड रिप्रेजेंट किया था, वो लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है। उनका फोकस भी इससे जुड़े हुए हैं और हमें एक मास्टर प्लान है वायनाड के लिए, वो हम लागू करेंगे।
क्योंकि आज डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट अमेंडमेंट बिल भी आ रहा है और केरल लगातार डिजास्टर्स से पीड़ित रहा है, लगातार वहाँ पर इस तरह की आपदाएं आती रहती है। तो क्या मांग है स्पेसिफिक, क्योंकि आज जब अमेंडमेंट आएगा उसमें कांग्रेस को भी बोलने का मौका मिलेगा?
हमें एक राय है इसके ऊपर। हम एनवायरनमेंट से जुड़े हुए जितने भी प्रश्न हैं उसमें एक पॉजिटिव स्टेप लेना चाहता है। हमारा कोशिश दोनों राज्य सरकार और केंद्र सरकार को कुल मिलाकर काम करने वाला तरीका है। ये जैसे घटनाओं को हम बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण मानता है और हम उसी के हिसाब से काम करेंगे।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.